Hello, 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 hello. Can you hear me? Hello, 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 hello. Yes. Today very important constraints. Okay, all the things you are understandable for through so much of concepts only. Practically, I am showing all the things, big concepts. So now concentrate here. Yesterday, what I am telling, 5 constraints are there technical, not a theoretical, technically, practically. These constants are created in a one syntax column level, another syntax is table level. Now, not null cannot be created at a what table level. But I try to create a table level. What happened? Observe it. Don't write it. Don't write it. This one. Table level. I try to create. Table level means yesterday on idea some syntax based only create table. Don't write. Z2 is a table. Okay, for example. First we are defining all the columns only. Okay, like this. Here, last only we are using a what? So now we are not null is a keyword like this constraint type. Here, group of columns are single column like this only. We are creating like this. Whenever we are creating a what table level syntax, copy this one. I try to execute like this here. It will give a what error impossible. Not null does not support a what a table level. Remaining all the constraints supports a what all the levels only. That's why table level you are using also, it won't work. Now, all the constraints, another constraints, write it up to primary key, very easy. Unique, write it. Unique. Unique means unique constraint. Okay, unique, second one. Unique constraint means everyone knows opposite of the not null. No, not null does not accept a what? Yesterday I'm telling you. Yes, very good. Null values, but it will accept a duplicate. No, but here really this is reverse. It does not accept a duplicate values, but it will accept a null values. Two nulls are not same in a database side. That's why. Okay, yeah, write it. Write it. Unique constraint is created on column level and table level. And a table level. All right. This constraint does not accept duplicate values. Unique means unique values, no. Duplicate values. But it will accept null values. But it will accept null values. Side heading, column level, I'm creating one. Both the levels possible, suppose. Now today, column level, table level difference, data side also you are understandable through unique constraint. Suppose, for example, I'm creating a table column level. How can I create table name, Z2, anything also? Here, S number is in a column. Just my interest purpose, S number I'm giving. Here, this column does not accept a duplicate data, means unique is a keyword I'm giving. That is unique constraint is not there. Unique is a keyword. Now, input data same. Suppose name column, I try to create a what? Unique constraint means yes, here also unique, not a problem. But I'm not interested to use only single column. I'm interested to use. Now check it out. Copy this one. I try to execute here like this. Table is created or not, but data I'm not inserting. Why? Because table level I am creating. I'm asking what some data type of data is inserted or not. You are only checking. Then table level and column level differences you are understandable. Otherwise, I'm telling column level insertion means you are guessing what the output. That's why. Write it. This column level example, write it. Individual column checking. Yeah. Completed. Yes, data I'm not checking. Now table level through data I'm asking, then column level, table level difference, you are understandable, I think. What is the table level I want to define? I want a unique constraint means 1 minute, observe here. Here nothing is there. First we are creating a table like this at the time of table creation. Don't write it. Suppose this is a each and every column we are defining first. S number is a column and name is a column. So many columns we are defining like. And last only we are using a what? Unique is a keyword. Okay, unique is a keyword. We are using constraint type. No, this is a syntax yesterday I'm telling. Here group of columns, S number, comma name. Once we are using a what this syntax, then what is the difference between column level and a table level data side? You are understandable now. Suppose I try to execute, copy this one. Yes, table is created or not? Yes. Write it first, then I am inserting a data, then you are understandable. Anybody lately connected means take a snap through this one. All are writing this one fast. This is a table level, right? Completed. Now observe it here. All are connected. Yes. Now I'm asking one beautiful question only. That answer you are telling me is really very good only. Then only table level, column level differences, data side also you are understandable. Observe here. This one. This is a Z3 is a table is there. Slowly observe here. Slowly. This one correctly you are telling first time is very good. This is a Z3 table. Last. This one recently you are creating. Okay. But here two columns are there. Okay. In a column names, I am giving S number and name. But unfortunately, I am creating a what? Table level in this example. So table level means group of columns is a unique key I am creating. Not a single individual columns. Observe it here, observe here. Maybe here layer is there internally that your imagination like this. This is a unique constraint I am creating. So combination of columns maybe. Okay, fine. Now I am a data entry operator. I try to insert a data. This is a table level, not a column level. Observe here. Insert into like this. I am writing. Now S number column 1 I'm inserting, comma. Yes, in a name column, my name morally I'm inserting. One record, there is no problem. Now this record is inserted. Slowly observe here. 1 is inserted. And also morally is inserted. Okay, fine. Now again, second record onwards, you are only telling me. In a second record, I try to insert like this. Again, here 1, I try to insert. Same, duplicate data. 1 and ABC, I try to insert. This record is inserted or not inserted. Only one thing is correct. Logically guess it. Brackets and all these things not a problem. 1 ABC, I try to insert a one that record into where this table. Possible or not possible? Very good. So many fellows are telling you what not possible. So many fellows are telling you what possible. But which answer is correct? Otherwise, okay, that is confusing. Just you are set as aside in a where one ABC. Now observe here. Now observe here. Suppose I try to insert one morely already record is there. Again one morely I try to insert. Possible or not possible? Very good. Not possible. This record already there. That's why duplicate data not possible. Everyone telling correct way. Same like here now one ABC, one morely is there. One ABC I try to insert. Possible or not? Very good. Possible. Correct. Who are telling about possible? Correct. Why? Because individual columns duplicate also not a problem, but here this is a table level. That's why record it will be checking one ABC. Already one ABC is not there. You are observing or not? One ABC is a record, because this is a record only, because this is a table level group of columns only. It will be treated as a what? Single constraint. Okay na? Yes, here now you your answer is correct in a where one ABC means individual columns. That is a what? Column level syntax, but this is a table level. Very good. Now I try to insert. Now onwards you are telling very easy. 2XYZ, 2ABC, possible? Yes, 2ABC means not a problem. Yes, you are working. Very good. 2ABC record is not there. Again, I try to insert a what? Again, 1ABC, possible? No, not possible. Already 1ABC record is available. Again, 2XYZ possible? Yes, now 2XYZ possible. Individual columns, duplicate data also not a problem. Record is duplicate or not, it will be checking. 2XYZ possible. Again, 2ABC possible. Now I try to insert a what? A 2ABC impossible. Why? Because already the duplicate record is there. Yes, okay na? Yes, that's why okay. Always table level means here always it will be checking a what? A group of columns we are using means layered architecture is there here. Now here check it out. Layer is there or not? Very good. So many fellows are telling correct way. Correct. But individual columns means that is column level. That's why I'm not showing a column level data in this previous example unique constraint side. Why? Because I am telling that data means this is correctly you're telling. I want wrong ones, then only you're remembering. Suppose here really correct, insert into Z3, don't write it. Here value same, don't write it. One morally, I'm inserting my name. Now again, same record. I try to insert one ABC. Okay, ABC, I'm giving. One more means no, ABC, possible. Observe here. This is the data is there, for example, in my project table, select star from Z. In this table only, again, I try to insert a duplicate data. Insert into table name Z3 values. Again, one ABC, impossible. Already one ABC record is there, no? Yeah. So otherwise, one morely also not possible. This is error. 0001 unique constraint violated. First error is 1001 means invalid cursor. That is a PLS side. Okay, this is there means just write it. Oh, the data is there, that onwards not possible. Okay, this example you have idea. Now maybe already this data is there in a Z3 table. Then onwards, this record is not working. You are understandable. That's better. Okay, na? This onwards write it directly. Select statement onwards. The data is available there. Very good. This already this record is there. Underline this one table level. No? Yeah. Write it slowly. Okay, na? Yes, column level, table level data is understood. Column level means individual columns, it will be checking. Table level means group of columns, record wise, it will be checking. Okay, na? Yeah. Now, last fundamental, primary key. Next onwards, very, very important. Write it side heading. Primary key. Primary key. Now, anybody asking what a primary key means, it does not accept duplicate, it does not accept null values. Don't try to tell like that. Okay, that is correct. But unfortunately, what is the purpose of primary key? Yesterday, I'm telling unique identification of the record in a table. You are a good professional means you are telling like that. Millions of records are available also. Yes, uniquely that identifying a what? Only one record. Primary key value we are taking means unique identification of the record in a table. But only one primary key is available in a table, not a column. Key. What the difference means today you are understandable. Okay, na? Then only it does not accept duplicate and null values. Practically, I'm showing you what whenever foreign key onwards, this primary key and foreign key relations also. Okay, write it. Primary key. Very important definition. Primary key uniquely identifying a record in a table. Uniquely identifying a record underline. Very important that definition. Record means horizontal, no, only one record. Okay. Write it extension. There can be only one primary key in a table. There can be only one primary key in a table. Primary key, write it again. Primary key does not accept duplicate, comma, null values. Primary key does not accept duplicate, comma, null values. Side heading, column level. Column level, I try to create. Column level means individual columns. Yeah. Here slowly observe it here. Finished. Very slowly I'm telling up to this one. Why? Because compulsory every person in every database must familiar with all the concepts. And now here check it out. Concentrate here. Suppose 1 minute only. I'm creating a table. Okay. Z4 is a table. Maybe up to Z3 I'm creating. Any table. Z3 I'm creating. Suppose Z4 is a table. In this one, now 1 minute observe here. Don't write. Here yes number anything. Number column, number data type I'm interested. Here primary key I'm giving. Oh, maybe this column is a primary key. Column level means yesterday syntax you have an idea, column name, data type, immediately constraint type. In a future constraint keyword is there, that is different. Don't worry. Comma, observe here, this is a problem. Name is a column where cat2. Here, this name column also I want to create a primary key possible? No, not possible. Why? Because in every database, there can be only one primary key. That's why two primary keys are not possible. Two unique keys are possible. Three, not null is possible. Five, check constraint, anything also possible, but primary key only one. Column level available also only one time. And now check it out. Here like this. Now I try to copy this one. Only one primary key. No? Yes. So now here like this. Now Z3 already there now. Sorry, Z4. Here Z4 I'm giving. Now here observe it. I try to copy this table. Now here like this table is created or not. I am not inserting a data. Why? Because inserting a data through foreign key, through primary key, and tell to write it. Example. Side heading, table level. Table level. What the table level means? First, we are defining all the columns and the last only constraint type along with group of columns or not. Yes, here suppose what happened means observe here, create table. Here Z5 is a table. In this case, first we are defining any columns, all the columns without constraint type. S number is a column, comma, name is a column. Already honored, you know? Yes, here. Yesterday syntax. Comma, last only we are using a what? Constraint type, primary key. Here, group of columns, S number, comma, name like this. And now this is the way. Now really that is correct or not, check it out. I'm copying this one. I try to execute. Okay, fine. Table is created or not. Write it fastly, then I'm doing this. Same like a unique constraint or table level. Oh, group of columns, single column. Write it very easy. Completed. Now, so many interviewer pressure level one question they're asking. What is that one is? What is composite primary key? They're asking. What is composite primary key in a databases? What is this one? They're asking. So many fellows are, whenever the interviewer asking this one, first time newcomer, no? Yes, anybody newly learning about Oracle or SQL Server or MySQL means they're thinking, name itself, meaning they're thinking, oh, maybe composite primary key means, oh, maybe now here more than one primary keys they're telling. That is absolutely wrong one. Composite primary key means nothing is there. This table level, whatever you are creating recently, this is called a composite primary key. Composite primary key means not a more than one primary keys. Combination of columns as a single primary key, that is called a composite primary key. That composite primary key is defined in a table level only. Combination of columns as a single primary key, because more than one primary key is not there in a table. But a group of columns as a single primary key possible or not? Very easy, very good. And now write it, some theory, write it. After table level, write it. This is also called as composite primary key. That is, it is the combination of columns as a single primary key. It is the combination of columns as a single primary key. It is the combination of columns as a single primary key. Okay, na? Yes, composite, unique, composite, primary key. These are all table level only. Unique identification of the record purpose. This one. Okay, yeah, very good. But difference is unique and primary key. So many interviewer asking only primary key does not accept a what a null values, but a unique key accepting a null value. That is only difference. Finished. Up to this one fundamental. Any programmer wants to learn constraints in their project side or database subject side means first they must familiar 5 constraints are there. 2 ways they are defining up to primary key. Small fundamentals. Now onwards subject. Very, very, very important. Already I'm telling yesterday. Foreign key onwards, very big concept in a very constraint. Foreign key, something only, some classes only. After that one, yes, data dictionaries are there. Now here after table creation, how can I add a constraints? How can I drop a constraints? So many things are there. That is most powerful. Then check constraints. So many things are there. Write it. Side edit. Foreign key. This onwards subject is starting. That's why anybody pressure level they're selecting in a company side constraint they want to give that training means only foreign key onwards they're telling. Primary key roughly 1 minute they're telling, then immediately they're starting for. Write it. Foreign key. Foreign key. This onwards totally different. Syntax is also different. Classes also different. Column level, table level. Why I'm telling means today you understand. Color rating up to primary key table level. Data through the foreign key I'm inserting. Don't worry. Okay. Finished that theory. Very good. Write it side heading. Foreign key. Anybody guess it? What is foreign key? Maybe some fundamental programmers also well-known persons. Without any foreign key, there is no relational databases. Meaningless in a relational databases. That much of powerful. Now here, what is foreign key? Tell me. That easy. Anybody? Anybody? Java, .NET, PHP, Python, data science. Any programmer also well-known persons. What is foreign key? That easy concept. Primary key purpose means unique identification of the record, but foreign key purpose is what? One fellow is telling, okay, half of the thing correct. Yes, what is foreign? Tell me. Easy. Otherwise, what is the purpose? Foreign key, some concept is there. Anybody? Dead easy. Duplicate data, that is leave that one. Okay. Data is not important. What is the purpose of primary key? Unique identification of the record. Same like what is the purpose of foreign key? What is foreign key really? Yes, one fellow is telling Satish Kumar. Correct. Yes. And now check it out. Yes. Sumit, you are also telling. Vinod, you are also telling. Yes, very good. Now so many fellows are telling. Now check it out. What is foreign key? Means nothing is there. Observe here. Observe here. Suppose up to now, individual tables, you have an idea. This is a table is there. This is a table is there. This is a table is there in my project. This is a table that is here. Now observe here. This is a table is there. This is a table is there like this. Now I want to establish a relationship between this table to this table. Up to now, we are not establishing a relation. What is the relation means? I will tell you. I want to establish a relation between this table to this table. I want to establish a relationship between this table to this table. I want to establish a relation between this table to this table. I want to establish a relation between this table to this table. That's why establishes a relationship between the tables, then we must use a what? A foreign key. Otherwise, impossible. That's why relational databases means relationship between the entities. How we are defining a relationship between the entities means, okay, entities tables, for example. Referential integrity is a constraint is there. What is that referential integrity constraint? Foreign key. This foreign key is not available in a DBMS software. Another softwares are there in a olden days. In that one, Now these are relational databases. Now here in the olden days prior to 1970 only DBMS softwares are there. In that one, foreign key is not available. Establishing a relationship between the tables by using a what, some other coding only. That's why now here, yes, here foreign key through only they are giving a name relational. Now here very important concept. That's why if you want to establish a relationship between the tables in any database in the worldwide also, we are using a foreign key is a constraint. That is also called as a referential integrity constraint. Terminology also most powerful. Why? Because internally in a data dictionaries we are using means R is a symbol is there. R means referential integrity constraint. Very important. One table file key, another table primary key or unique key. What is that one? We are learning today practically so many things. Write it. Some theory, write it. Very slowly, I'm telling, very important this one. Big concept. In all relational databases, if you want to establishes relationship if you want to establish a relationship between tables. Why we are establishing relation means I will tell you, don't worry. Relationship between tables, then we are using referential integrity constraint foreign key. Referential integrity constraint foreign key. Okay, now slowly observe here. Very important. So many things are there. Suppose this is a what? Z4 is a table is there, primary key table. From this table, I want to establish a relationship between the table. Means compulsory another table foreign key is available. Then only one table foreign key must belongs to another table primary key or another table unique key also. Yes, foreign key individually it is not working. Compulsory one table foreign key must belongs to another table because relations no. Which table is we are establishing a relation that one another table primary key or unique constraint also possible. Both the things. But primary key said learners learning only. Okay, na? Yes, here one table foreign key must belongs to another table primary key, and also these primary key foreign key columns must belongs to same data type. That is most powerful. Referential primary. It's okay, write it. Next pair. Generally, one table foreign key must belongs to another table primary key or unique constraint primary key. Okay, and also this foreign key, this foreign key, comma, primary key columns must belongs to same data type. Okay, na? one table foreign key must belongs to another table primary key, and also primary key foreign key columns must belongs to same data type or not. Yes, here. Now observe it here. Now onwards, very important. Now one by one I'm telling. Observe it here. Suppose this is a what Z4 is a table is a practically also I'm showing. Practically creating also totally different. Already I'm telling this is totally different only number numbers. Column level, table level also. This is a Z4 is a table is there. In this Z4 table, S number is a column is there. In this S number column only, here primary key is there. For example, okay, fine. Now again here I am creating another table. B4 is a table. For example, anything ABC also not a problem. B4 is in a purpose. Again same column I am using only S number is a column. Now observe it here, only observe it here. This is I want to establish a relation, means compulsory. This is a foreign key we are creating related to primary key in this table. Okay, fine. Now check it out here. Suppose primary key having a what? 1 is there, here 5 is there, here 9 is there. For example, in this primary key, 1 and 5 and 9 is there. For example, these numbers are available. Now I try to insert a what? 1 possible in a where foreign key? Yes, possible. I try to insert a what? Here 2 possible or not? Anybody guess it? 2 is possible? Impossible. Why? Because 2 is not there in a where? In a primary key. Suppose here 3 is possible? Yes, not possible. 3 is not there in a where? In this primary key. Suppose here 4 is possible? No, not possible in a where? Yes, in a foreign key. Why? Because that 4 is not available in a where? Primary key, related primary key only. Again 5 is possible? Possible. 5 is already there. Again 9 is possible? Possible. 8 is possible? Not possible. 7 is possible? Not possible. That's why always foreign key values based on what? Primary key values only. Very important. Whenever you are trying to insert a what data into foreign key, compulsory that value is available in a where? Primary key column. Most powerful. That's why always foreign key values are based on related primary key values only. Very important. Write it next para. Next para, write it. Always foreign key values are based on primary key related, no, based on related primary key values only. Related primary key values only. Okay, but unfortunately, 2 exceptional cases are there. Very important. What is exceptional cases? Okay, foreign key values based on primary key values, everyone knows. But unfortunately, one problem is there. Now check it out. Some other rules are there. Suppose this is a primary key. Here in a previous case, 1, 5, 9, I am telling. Okay, fine. This is a primary key like this. Suppose this is a related foreign key is available, for example. Okay, fine. Now always foreign key values are based on primary key values. I am telling. Okay, fine. But unfortunately here, 1 minute observe here. Here 1, it will be inserted, not a problem. Again 1 is inserted. Yes, inserted. But that is duplicate 1 is available in a primary key. No, not available. Again I try to insert a what 1? Yes, possible. But the duplicate data is available in a primary key. No. Again 2 is inserted. Okay, 5 is inserting. Yes. Again that 5, again second time 5 is there. That second time 5 is available. No. That's why observe here. Yes, foreign key values are based on primary key values. Everyone agree. But unfortunately, 2 exceptional cases. Primary key does not accept a duplicate data also. Foreign key accepts duplicate data. But the duplicate data is not there in a way primary key. And also null values also accepting a what? Yes, here foreign key, but null values are not there in a primary key. Why they are defining this exceptional case means in a olden days, 1970 before, yes, here some softwares are there. What is that one? Hierarchical network softwares are there. IMS, IDMS softwares only. in IMS and IDMS softwares are there, that is network data model and hierarchical data model based products only. EF Cod, he is a mathematician, he is copying what concepts from those concepts only, then they are embedded what primary key, foreign key, like that relation between the what entities. Suppose in a where hierarchical data question of areas based product means this root node is there, under root node again more child nodes are there. Suppose here one parent only, so many child records are available. That's why this record is okay, so this record is repeated a lot in this occasion of these child records only. This is a master record and also these child records are there. Same concept here, primary key, foreign key, they're giving a what EF Cod only. That's why always this exceptional case EF Cod designing. Foreign key values are based on related primary key values, I agree. But unfortunately, primary key does not accept duplicate values, but foreign key accepts a duplicate. Okay, na? Yes, write it. Generally, is exceptional case. Generally, primary key does not accept duplicate, comma, null values. Whereas foreign key accepts duplicate, comma, null values. Duplicate, comma, null values. Okay, na? Up to this one theory, but practically most powerful, very different concept compared to up to today primary key. We are learning a column level, table level, but here totally different. Now check it out. Okay, up to this one understandable. Okay, fine. Now practical. Now slowly observe here, very important. Anybody telling me is great. Now onwards. Suppose this is example wise I'm telling. This is a table is there. Recently we are creating today. Z4 is a table. Now onwards, observe it here. Very interesting. Here in this table, yes number is a column. Primary key is there, for example. Okay, fine. Yes, here. Sorry. Yes number is a column is there. In this column, primary key is available. Primary key lines. Now I'm creating another table. Today here in a table, B4 is a table. Slowly observe here. Okay, fine. Now this is a foreign key. Okay, fine. Here same column I am using. Same or different means now I am telling total. Here, 1, 2, 3, for example. Duplicate data is available here also. I'm telling up to now like this. But I want to create this B4 is a table practically, foreign key table practically in a column level. How can anybody guess it? Suppose before we are storing a data, column level, table level is there or not? In a column level, how we are creating a what? That B4 is a table in a where in a S number column foreign key that is related to where primary key in a where Z4 table S number only. How we are creating a what? A practical, now practically I'm interested. Column level means how can I? Very good. Yes, tell me roughly. Create. Okay, next step. Create table. What is the table name? B4. Very good. Now here parenthesis. Yes number is a column. What is the data type? Number in this case. Here after this one, now here immediately we are using a what? Which keyword? Very good. Foreign, F-O-R-E-I-G-N, foreign space key. So many fellows are telling like that. Impossible. That's why already I'm telling. This onwards different. Whenever table level constraint we are creating means then only foreign key keyword is there. Column level constraint we are defining means foreign key keyword constraint is not there in a where in any database in the worldwide. Don't try to use foreign key keyword when we are establishing a relationship between the tables in a where column level. Another keyword they are giving ANSI standard, not a Oracle, every relational database also. Another keyword they are giving, anybody having idea? Very good. Here, references is a clause is there, most powerful. Here, concentrate here, references is a class. Without this one, impossible. That's why I create a table before S number. Here, references. Here we are using a what? References is a class. References to which another table? Z4. In a Z4, which column is there? S number column. But same column means this column name, not brackets, not required. But a different column means compulsory brackets. Different column also possible. Now that's where references is a clause only. References is a clause. References is a clause only. Most powerful. That's why side heading column level write it. Column level within the bracket references write. References. References is a clause. Now syntax. What is the syntax? 1 minute observe here. Here very important to create a table name. Here column 1 data type. Here size. Here 1 minute of the references is a predefined clause. In another table is also called as master table name. They are giving in a ANSI standard. But you are giving another table also, not a column. In that another table, observe here, in this another table, primary key table or unique key table, no. In this table, here compulsory brackets only, primary key column name we are using. Primary key column name. Primary key is not a keyword, primary key column name we are using only. Otherwise, it won't work. Any number of remaining columns also possible. Write it this one. Then practical, I'm sure. Then only data side, so many things are there. Okay, na? Completed. And now check it out. Two tables I'm creating. Here Z4 is a table is there. Primary key is there. No S number column. Same like I try to create. Don't write. Create table. Table name. Don't write. B4 is a table. For example, my interest purpose. Same column name possible. Otherwise different column name. But data type only checking by the server. Here references is a class. References to another table. Z4 is a table. In that Z4, S number is a column within the bracket. But unfortunately, in this case, within the bracket, this column name you are not using also not a column. Why? Because same column is there. Same column, S number is there. That's why with whenever same column is a primary key, foreign key means parenthesis you are not using also not a column working. Suppose different column I want. Here in this table, here A is a column I want only, for example. In that case, data type same also. Here, compulsory brackets we are using. Different column is brackets. Now here, this type of tables they are giving in a project set. Suppose B3 is a table. And now here I'm giving A is a column, for example. Same data type. And now here, check it out. Here, references to master table Z4 compulsory bracket only, primary key column which one? S number like this. Yes, is there. References to master table. Yes, possible or not? These two. That's why always we are creating an array different column or same column. Then only data side. Example. Z4 is a primary key table is there. This one also create. Table is created. Or this one also. Different column also possible. Then why we are establishing a relationship between the tables, sort, delete, cascade, master, child tables, those all the things I will tell you. Very important concept. Here this is Z4 is another table, master table. Okay, primary key table is there, no, that one. In that one, same column is there. That's why brackets I'm not using. But a references is a class. Suppose different column I want, but same data type means within the bracket primary key column name we are using. Suppose composite primary key to composite primary key is there, or maybe S number common name is there. No, in that case, same composite foreign key they want means table level we must familiar. Then only data side why we are establishing a relation big concept central. First construction, write it. Side it table level. Table level. Within the bracket in a table level means you have to write it foreign key is a keyword we are using. Comma references, both the things are possible. Not a one class, okay, references. Both the things we are using. Because composite primary key to composite foreign key in this case. Within the bracket, write it. Table level means foreign key keyword, comma references in a database, both the keywords. How means what is the syntax they are providing? Observe it here, 1 minute only. How can I mean? Suppose here create table name is there. First we are defining all the columns. Don't write it. Observe it here. Data type size like this. Any number of columns also. Data type size like this. First we are defining all the columns. So many columns. Last only slowly observe it here. Foreign key is a keyword. Foreign key is a keyword. Here, which foreign key columns you want, that one only column name, comma column name to any number of columns. Here, references is a class. Another table, they are giving a master table name, any name also. Within the bracket, primary key column names, primary key column name, write it. Table level. Completed this syntax. Now observe it here. Composite primary key is there, no? In a previous case here, yes number maybe name is there. This composite primary key to composite foreign key. Suppose for example I want miss, then this table level syntax varies. Completed this syntax. Now here. Finished. These are only construction. Then uses, so much of uses are there. Why we are establishing a relationship between those, all the things important. Now that's why slowly I'm telling. Now check it out. Suppose, for example, my interest purpose, create a table. B5 is a table. Z5 is there. No, that's why. First, we are defining all the columns, either same column or different column, your own wish. Name is a column where cat2 like this. Here, last only we are using the what of foreign key. Here, whatever columns are there, those columns. Here, references is a class. Same columns I'm using, don't worry, okay? Another table name, what is the another table name? References is a class. Another table name, master table, Z5 or Z5. Here, yes, number, common name, again, primary key column. I am not using the one brackets, not a problem, because same column I'm using, yes. Write it. Example, right? Okay, now this is a construction. Next, very, very, very important. Why we are establishing a relationship between the tables in every relational databases? Why we are establishing a relationship between tables? Why we are establishing a what relationship between tables? Foreign key, something we are using or not? Why we are establishing? Yes, some reason is there. What is that reason? Means data security point of view. What type of data security means? I'm telling in every database. Very, 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 very important. And now here, data security point of view, we are establishing a what a relationship between tables. What type of data security means? Maybe first initial demo classes, you have an idea, I think. Suppose 1 minute, observe here. This is a table is there. Very interesting. Observe here. Concentrate here. Practical, I'm showing all the things. This is a S number is a column, for example. Here primary key they are creating. Observe here primary key for this column. Here primary key is there means maybe none of this is a called master table. Okay, roughly idea purpose. Primary key table is also called as master table. Again, this is another table is there. Okay, observe here establishing a relation between the tables purpose. Another table is there. Okay, fine. This is a S number, same column or a different column, but same data type is there. Foreign key. Okay, this foreign key is a reference to the where primary key in this table. Okay, yes, here. This is a reference, this is a class. Otherwise, table level, column level, anything. Okay, this is a references is a class is there. References is a class. In this case, primary key table is called master table. Foreign key table is also called a detailed table or child table. Everyone knows. Now here master table does not accept duplicate data primary key. 1, 2, 3, some data is there. Here a duplicate data also there in our foreign key. 1, 1, 2, 2. Now here practically I'm showing, don't worry. 3, 3 like this only there. Now why we are establishing a relationship between tables like this? Data security. What type of data security is there? Means observe here, screen observe. In every database, whenever we are establishing a relationship between the tables, database servers violates two rules. One is very important, deletion. Don't write it today, just observe here. Deletion from master table, very important. Again, another one is not updation, insertion in child table. Very, very important tool, these two in every database. ANSI standard giving master table, child table based only. Actually, primary key, foreign key based actual concept. But easiness purpose, what is the data security in every relational database system in the worldwide? Whenever we are establishing a relationship between the tables, always database servers violates two rules. One is what? A deletion from master table. Second one is what? Insertion in child table. What is this for? Suppose first I'm showing only this one. Deletion from master table. Anybody guess it? Now I am a data entry operator. I try to delete a what? This record from master table. One record from this example is one record I try to delete from master table. Possible? No, not possible. That is security. Why? Because this record already there in a way in your child table. That's why we cannot delete master table record from master table if those records are available in child table. Impossible. You are trying it. I am also trying. You are also trying next only. And now here then it won't work. Impossible. Suppose you are interested to delete that one means first we have to delete about go to child table and delete a what those child table records. Then only we are allowed to delete a what a master table record. Okay, now that is everyone knows that's a data security. But some interviewer asking, I don't want like this. Whenever we are establishing a relation between the tables, when we are trying to delete a master table record, it won't work. Everyone knows because those records are available in child table. If you want to delete a what, those records means one chance is there. First go to where? Child table. And child table records, you have to delete it. Then only those records are allowed to delete in a where? Master table. But interviewer, how they're asking, I don't want this default phenomena. Whenever we are deleting a records in a master table, automatically master and child table records I want to delete. They're asking, how can I mean some special clauses are there? What is that clauses means? Along with foreign key, some special clauses are there. On delete cascade is a clause, most powerful. That's why very slowly I'm telling now here. Why? Because these all the things practically we are applying only. That's why up to now practically I'm not telling cascade. Whenever I want to in a project side, whenever we are establishing a relationship between security, okay, default side. But unfortunately, whenever we are deleting a master table record, automatically that master and child table records I want to delete means use a on delete cascade is a special clause in every database. But which table on delete cascade clause we are using? All are thinking what master table? No, this is a child table side. Foreign key along with foreign key constraint is there. No, along with foreign key constraints only two optional clauses are there: on delete cascade, on delete set null, like that only. That clause is there, then automatically when we are deleting a master table record, automatically master and child table records also deleted. That much of powerful. And now here really that is correct. Yes, here now 1 minute observe here. Suppose here in a master and child tables are there, check it out. Don't write it today. Just observe it here. And now here, very interesting. Okay, practically means very interesting. Now check it out. Observe it here. Suppose I'm creating a master table. Observe it here. Create table. Here master, mass I'm doing. S number is a column number. Here compulsory primary key. Okay, na? Yes, here like this. That's why up to now primary key values I'm not inserting. I try to insert the data, insert into what is the master table mass. Here values like this. Here I try to insert ampersand S number. Here one possible. Again one possible. No, duplicate data does not accept error. Here two possible. Here three possible. Observe here. This is a master table. Select a star from master like this. 1, 2, 3 is there or not? Yes. Now I try to create a child table related to master. How can I create table here? Child only. Here same column or different column. Here we are using a column level means how can I? A same data type compulsory. Here references is a clause. References. References to master table. In this master table, same column I'm using means brackets are not required. Yes, observe here. This is the way. Child S number references to master table or not? Yes, here. Now I try to insert a data, insert into child here values. Now I try to insert a 90. Possible? No, not possible. Why? Because foreign key values are based on primary key values. 90 is not available, 4 is not available, 5 is not available in a master table or not? Yes. Now I try to use a what? Yes, here in a child table, a duplicate data possible, possible, one possible, already one is there, one. Okay, fine. Yes, here, two, here, two, here, two, here, like this only, here, three, here, now here, three, like this, three, possible or not? Yes, how much easy? Now check it out. This is a what? Master. Now here select star from master only. Again, another table, select a star from here. Child is there. Okay, master and child table is there. This is a master table 1, 2, 3, child table 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3. Something is there or not? Yes. Now, whenever I'm going to try to check a what first rule only, delete from master table, delete from master table, not a child, where S number is equal to 1, impossible, because that is security, impossible. Observe here. Here, this 2292 error we are handling in a where, in a exception chapter, in a where PLSQL side that much of powerful. But I don't want like this. I want to delete a what? Master table record means first go to child table records, delete it, then only master table. I don't want like this. Whenever we are deleting a master table, automatically child table records I want to delete means I'm dropping at this child table. I'm using a what on delete cascade. Observe here. 1 minute only. Now what is this one practically? So now slowly I'm telling next classes, but observe it here. Just idea purpose I'm telling. Select a star from master like this. Now I try to create a what child table in a on delete cascade. Create table, table name, child only. Here S number, number of 10. Here like this. References is a clause, references to master table. Here on space, delete space, cascade, something is there. We are learning these syntaxes in a future. Observe here. Oh, maybe something on delete cascade clause we are using. Whenever we are using a what, this one, what happened? Okay, requirement like that means we are using like this child, okay, values like this. Here ampersand S number, here 1, duplicate data 1, here like this. Again 2, again 2, again 3, like this only. Now here this is a master table. Select a star from master. Okay, fine, like this. Again another table, select a star from child like this. And now here I try to check what first rule, delete from master table where S number is equal to 1. It will be working. Observe here, yes. Because one delete cascade through, we are changing a violation rule, select star from master. Okay, fine, 2, 3. Again, automatically, and now that record also deleted in a way, child table or not, select star from child like this. How much powerful. These all the things what happened, what is these another clauses. So okay, so now whenever we are modifying the data, is affected or not. Okay, whenever you are inserting the data, affected or not, deleting only, affected or not. Again you are inserting check. These all the things we are learning next one. Okay, that is next class side. I'm telling up to this one only on our syntaxes through we are learning only. Then these clauses, they are establishing a relation, all the things. Tomorrow there is no class. Monday I will tell you, those are important concepts. Monday I will tell you. Some fellows are missing. Monday will continue. Okay, na? Thank you. Don't miss the class Monday. Why? Because that's the most powerful concept. Monday will continue. Thank you. One fellow is asking, candidate key or primary key are same? No. Candidate key is practically not there. That is a database design side. In a future super key, candidate key, I will tell you. First, we are selecting a super keys. From that one, candidate keys we are using only. That is a normalization database design side. That one. Practically, candidate key is not there. Same like a primary key, unique identification of the record is there, but slightly difference. Okay, yeah. Create table, table name, S number, primary key you are writing. No, same like candidate key you are writing, it won't work. That is unique identification of the record is there. That is design side, not a practical. That's why in another chapter we are learning those things. Okay, yeah, very good. These are pure technical, practical. Okay, Monday I'll tell you. Okay, thank you.